Chess, no mercy, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to capture every opponent piece. There is no check or checkmate. All movement restrictions around the king are removed, and you are allowed to castle through threatened spaces. Each player begins the game with 2 mercy tokens. Each time you capture an enemy piece, you gain 1 mercy token. Each time you perform en passant, you collect 2 tokens instead. On your turn, tokens can be redeemed for actions, and they must be spent before your normal move. There is no limit or restriction on how many tokens you can spend on a single turn. You can spend 1 mercy token to perform an additional non-capturing move on your turn. Or you can spend 2 tokens instead to perform an additional move that captures an opponent's piece, but if you do not gain a mercy token. You can spend 3 mercy tokens to move an opponent's piece however you like. However, the piece you move may not be captured that same turn. You can spend 1 mercy token to promote one of your pawns, no matter where it is on the board, to a knight, 2 tokens to promote it to a bishop, 3 to a rook, or 5 to a queen. You can spend 4 mercy tokens to resurrect any one piece of yours that your opponent captured, placing it back on any of your available starting squares for that piece type. If all your starting squares for that piece type are occupied, you may not use this action. You may not resurrect a promoted piece, but you may resurrect pawns that were promoted. If, at the start of your turn, your opponent has at least 8 more mercy chips than you can invoke Mercy Usurp. Your opponent must discard 8 tokens. Now, rotate the board 180 degrees and swap which color you are controlling. If ever you perform a move that would result in a draw, like the 3-move repetition or having insufficient material, the game does not end in a draw, but instead your opponent receives 1 mercy token. The first player to capture all their opponent's pieces wins. If both players only have bishops on opposite colors, then at the start of your turn, each player gains 1 mercy token.